Good morning. Today we're going to talk about some books that we have in the library that might help you think more about science. If you are interested in those sorts of books that talk about the unknown, you might be interested in Spook, Science Tackles the Afterlife by Mary Roach. This is a scientific approach to what happens after you die. So if you're interested in ghosts, the afterlife, this is a good book for you. Calling All Minds by Temple Grandin is all about thinking creatively and scientifically and taking things apart and just analyzing it. It's got projects, and her style of writing is engaging and it's fun. It's a fun book to read. I read it over the summer. If you are interested in thinking about fun, quirky science facts, check out Two Truths and a Lie. In this book, they tackle different scientific questions and you have to figure out which is true and which one's not. I know that there are superhero fans out there, and if you like superheroes, try The Physics of Superheroes. This one talks about what superpowers might actually be real. The Disappearing Spoon is all about different controversies that happen in science. So each chapter tackles something different, and it's all told from the perspective of the periodic table of the elements. So this is a fun read. I know that the idea of settling Mars has been a hot topic in the news lately, and if you're interested, try the book Packing for Mars, The Curious Science of Life in the Void. This is about what you need to survive and life outside of planet Earth. The Mystery of Life, How Nothing Became Everything is all about evolution and science of the science of the origins of life. It's got big, beautiful pictures and an easy explanation for what is happening. For more science, or Superman science, try the book Superman Science. It's, again, more real-world science about superheroes' powers. In this case, it's specifically about Superman. The Curious Lives of Human Cadavers is all about biology and why human cadavers are used in medical science and medical research. So again, if you're a little bit morbid, this might be a good book for you. Another book by Mary Roach is Gulp, Adventures on the Alimentary Canal. This is all about what happens down like your esophagus. It's engaging and interesting for a topic that I never thought I'd be particularly interested in. I found it quite interesting. If you're interested in bombs and maybe a little bit of history, these two books, Bomb, The Race to Build and Steal the World's Most Dangerous Weapon, and Bombs Over Bikini are all about nuclear weapons tied to World War II. Bombs Over Bikini is about what happened when we detonated nuclear bombs over Bikini Island. And Bomb, The Race to Build and Steal the World's Most Dangerous Weapon is about the building of the atomic weapon and who would build it first, the United States or Germany. And if you just really like science fiction but want to think more about science, Jurassic Park is a great book. It's science fiction, it's not nonfiction, all about how to think about science. And it's about cloning and deals with the ethics of cloning. And of course, there's dinosaurs and chase and all sorts of awesome things. So if you've never read Jurassic Park, give it a shot. Eye of the Storm by Kate Messner is about climate change and about what happens when the Earth's climate shifts to the point where there's deadly tornadoes all the time. And in this particular case, scientists have tried to create a tornado-free utopia in the middle of Tornado Alley. This is a great book thinking about how people impact the environment. And finally, if you've seen the movie The Martian, try reading the book. Now, The Martian has some mature language, but it is about a man trying to survive by himself on Mars. It is action-packed, it's funny, and it's full of science. And of course, we can find good books on the shelf. So make sure to come in and look on the library shelves in the 500 and 600 section. We'll see you at the library. Thank you.